I'm Ralph Reel with ARC Advisor Group, and we're here today with Dan Miller of AT&T. Dan, welcome.
Thank you.
So, could you tell us a little bit about the industrial side of AT&T?
Certainly. So AT&T is not a manufacturer, not a process manufacturer, but we're behind the scenes in, I'd say, a large majority of the large industrials across the globe, providing network services, cloud services, application services, and mobility.
Can you tell us a little bit about some of the mega trends that are driving technology today in your space?
Yeah, certainly. So I think largely there's three large megatrends. One is better collaboration, so it's working together across the miles, and so things like video technology and conferencing are still largely being expanded and improved upon. Add to that cloud services, where it doesn't matter where you are, you can get at your applications, your data, your solutions, and they're in a dynamic, ultra available, rapid and quick speed solution set that allows you to be more responsive to your internal and external demands. And then lastly, the one that we all think about and that we all live is mobility. And mobility spans everything from the smartphones in our hands that are giving us the applications to allow us to live our lives and do our jobs to, the machine-to-machine side of things, where it's connecting things that traditionally you might not think about connecting, that allow us to pull in more information, more data, and make better decisions based on having better visibility into how our assets and our products are performing.
Wow, that's a broad range of technologies and products and services that you just mentioned. Major theme at the forum this year is the Internet of Things. Could maybe focus a little bit on that particular aspect of technology?
Absolutely. So huge for AT&T. Machine-to-machine is one of our major growth areas, and for us, machine-to-machine is Internet of Things. So if you think about the connected car and the connected appliance and the different consumer products and industrial products that are going to be connected in the future, we think that AT&T's global SIM capability on top of our network and our partners' networks is a very easy on-ramp onto that Internet of Things, right? So, at the end of the day, if you don't have connectivity, there is no Internet of Things, and we're a very easy, secure access path into the Internet of Things. And we've announced some very strategic relationships in the marketplace with General Electric to bring industrial Internet of Things to the market with that global SIM capability to really make it easy for customers to adopt it.
Yeah, the relationship with GE was just announced this at the forum here yesterday, I think it was. Could you talk a little bit about that relationship with GE? And I'm kind of thinking about who does what, GE versus yourself.
So we're not going to claim to be an industrial technology provider. That's clearly GE's mainstay. They've been doing it, since the Stone Age, so to speak. But we're certainly the global world-class leader for network and mobility. And what really resonated with General Electric was our global SIM capability, the ability for them to provision a standard architecture, a common set of solutions, one single provisioning platform that allows them to really then deploy their technology either with partners or with distributors or directly to their customers and not change based on the carrier that's in country. That's a huge mountain of effort now that's off their shoulders, and it's on our shoulders, and it's what we do well.
Wow, two major firms getting together. Mobility has really become very pervasive in our society and reached into a whole bunch of different application areas. Could you expand a little bit on the ones that apply to AT&T and the industrial aspects of it?
Yeah, so I'd answer that all of them in some respect, but let's talk about the ones that are very relevant right now. So mobile applications really span everything from very simple notification, messaging type applications into very rich process-driven applications. And we we span the gamut. We do very robust enterprise-grade messaging solutions that interface with enterprise systems like ERP and MES systems to allow people to get notifications when things take place, when triggers happen. Span that up to very rich, robust, in-depth mobile applications that allow for people on the plant floor or out in the refinery or in the chemical plant to trigger purchase orders, to approve process, to work on their maintenance system tickets, all on any type of device they want to work on, whether it's your favorite Apple device, an Android device, or the future probably a Windows device as they start to have their 3-screen, 1 experience strategy come to fruition this year.
Wow. Could you summarize just for a moment there's a lot there that you just covered that AT&T offers and the value. Could you just summarize some of the key benefits that would be derived for an industrial company working with AT&T?
Yeah, what we've seen is industrial companies are very good at making whatever they make or running a process the way they have to run it. But they don't have the expertise in-house to go out and understand what is the best in breed of these technologies that allow them to really make the next leap in the technology for mobility. It's what we do every day. We live it, we breathe it. It's a layer on top of our network. And so what we lend our industrial partner customers is our expertise to bring them our experience and help them choose the right path forward. And they don't have to worry about those stumbling blocks, those hiccups, those speed bumps, and they get to a productive solution faster with less effort and less cost. So we're really trying to drive innovation, drive productivity, drive solutions that make the most sense quickly. And if you're going to fail quickly versus failing over a long period of time and correct and do the right thing. So that's what we're very good at helping our customers do.
Wow, fascinating information. Thank you for speaking with us today, Dan.
Absolutely.
We've been speaking with Dan Miller, AT&T, here at the ARC Forum. Thank you for listening.